Hi, my name is Neil Clark, Chief Exec of IHF Digital. One of the conversations that we have all the time in and around fatigue and fatigue management is this concept of self-reporting for fatigue. It takes quite a bit of courage from an individual or an organisation to put their hand up and say, I am fatigued, you are fatigued, and take individuals out of the operation, whatever that may be, in order to rest, restore, and do some predictive maintenance on the human element within a system. That's why we're so excited about the predictive, data-driven aspect of BaselineNC. It cuts through all the subjectiveness, all the self-reporting, all the self-reflection, and takes fatigue, which has been something that's been incredibly difficult to nail down, measure and monitor, and turns it into something that's data-driven, factual and insightful. That's why here at BaselineNC we're excited about the concept of the human sensor, and everything comes along with that in terms of properly managing fatigue in big and small organisations without the stigma of having to self-report or have difficult conversations round about fatigue and the impact it can have on attentiveness and performance.